Thank you so much, sir. Let me share my screen. So, a very good evening, everyone. My fellow panelist has already taken us through the Gamma app. He has showed us how he pasted data and generated a PPT. What I am going to show you today is on how you can make your presentation with the Gamma app using just a simple prompt. So you just put in your heading, your topic. You don't even have to do the research, and Gamma.ai will generate an entire PPT for you. That is one. And the second thing is, you can, if you have already done your research, you can actually import that file, and Gamma.ai, the Gamma app, will generate an entire PPT for you again. And I will also take you through some of the very elegant features of the Gamma app. So without further delay, let me start with the demo. Okay. So you simply have to go to Google and type Gamma app and log in, and then you will get a screen like this, which will say create with AI. If you see paste in text, my Manish sir has already shown you. What I will show you is generate and import a file. So first, let me start with generate, on how you can generate a PPT with just a one line prompt. Now you see here, what would you like to create today? So let's say I am researching on the healthcare industry in India and drafting a research report on that. So let me write healthcare industry in India. Generate outline. Now you see here, it has generated the entire outline of the PPT. Healthcare industry in India, overview, key drivers, the challenges and opportunities, initiatives and policies, private sector, technological, future outlook and trends. Now, if you see here, it says 8 cards. So it has generated 8 slides. If I had given it the prompt of 10, it would have generated 10. If you take the pro version, you can go up to 30 cards and so on. Now my language here is English. You can even generate in Hindi. That is one of the language options that is provided here. Now, some of the settings that you see here are if the kind of text that you want. Do you want brief text? Do you want medium text? Or do you want detailed text? I'll keep it to medium. Then what are the kind of images? I'll keep it to AI images. I don't want web image search. And image style, if you have a particular style when you're generating your PPTs. For example, if you're in a certain organization, they use the blue color or they use yellow color, something like that if you want to put. And then we can continue here. So once I click continue, it will give me the option of themes. So you see here, it has given me the option of so many themes. Dark, light, professional, colorful. So let me try professional. Okay, now let me try this title. Okay, now I will simply click on generate. Now you see, I have not done any research on this topic here. I have just given Gamma this topic to make a PPT for me. So let me click on generate. And then we will see the magic happen in just a few seconds. You see here AI generating. The PPT is getting generated based on the theme that I had provided. So friends, it is that easy to generate a PPT using the Gamma app. So while this is getting generated, I told you there is one more thing that I want to show is that I trust the research that AI has done here, but I have already done a lot of research on the healthcare industry in India. So what I can also do is I can import my Word file in the Gamma app. and generate a PPT. So it's just some text in Word that I've written. It is not in any format. I will just import it here and Gamma will generate a PPT for me on the basis of that. So let us do that also once this PPT is generated. We are on slide number 7. We have one more slide to go. So I have everything that I need in a PPT on the healthcare industry in India without any research on my part here. Now let me go to home. I will stop generate or okay, let me just generate it. It's already done. Okay. If you see the presentation has finished generating, I have 8 beautiful slides that I can edit the theme and everything. So I'll show that to you in the next when I import the file. Now let me go back to home. Okay, I will go create new with AI, import a file, upload a file. So I will upload my healthcare research here. Open. Now my content is getting imported. My file is getting imported here. While it is getting imported, let me show you how the final PPT looks like once my file has gotten imported. This is what my final PPT looks like. This is based on the Word data that I had shown it. Okay. Okay. So you see here, my file is uploaded. What do you want? I want a presentation. I will click on continue. So it says configuring your prompt. So this is all the data that was there in my Word file. If you see here, market analysis, whatever I'd put in the file. Now this is in free form. What I can do is I can use it slide by slide. Card here means slide. So let's split your content into cards. Yes, I will split so that it comes in different slides. Right now it was in free form. So you see, it has already split my data based on its intelligence. So the first is the research report, the market analysis is the second slide, competitive landscape is the third slide, challenges is the fourth slide, and so on. It has done it already. Now let me click on continue. There are options here also. Okay, now let me see the theme that I want. I will go with whatever theme it has chosen. So I will just go to generate. This will take some time because it is I provided the data. So while I've already done it and generated my report here so that I could show you more features. This is what the report looks like once it has generated. Now I have a lot of options here. Let me take you through these options. Now one option is the theme is generated, but I don't like the theme now. So what can I do? I can either change the theme from here. I can go to theme, edit theme. Okay, I can use a new theme. I can use any of these themes, whichever I want. Okay, so I will say start from this theme. Okay, then one very good option that we have here is that we can also upload our logo. So many a times we need the logo of our firm, of our company. So we can upload that logo and that logo will appear here in all the slides. So right now I'm not doing that. I will just close it without saving. Okay. So here I was manually choosing which theme I want. Okay. I was manually choosing which theme I wanted. I can also do edit with AI. Okay. And I can say, I want to let us change the look of the presentation. Okay. So it will automatically suggest a few themes for me. Okay. Now, let's say it will just open. Which means I can even chat with AI. It has suggested a few themes for me. Now, let's leave it. what do I want to do now? You see, I don't like the way the operational strategy here has been given. So let me ask AI, are there better ways to visualize this? Okay, so let's see what AI comes with this. I'll start exploring better ways to visualize this. So you see, it has suggested the original slide was a vertical slide which I did not like. Now it has suggested a new slide for me. Okay, like this. Of course, I can edit it a little more based on what I want. So okay, for now, let me keep the original slide only. Now, there is one more thing that we can do here is I can add a few. Now there is a little more research that I want to add here. So what I can do is I will add one more slide here. Okay. So let's say it has given me so many options, blank card, image text. So let me add a blank card here in my presentation. Okay. So basically I added a new slide. Now, in this slide, I want to, you see the options that are given here. I want to, let's say, embed a Twitter page. I want to embed the Twitter page of the Ministry of Health of India. Okay. So what I will do is I will go to embed apps, tweet. Okay. Now it is asking me for the URL. So let me give you the URL. This is the URL of Twitter. Go. Okay. Similarly, you can also upload a video here if you want
Time's up.
in your PPT. Yep. So you see how it makes the Gamma app makes presentation making so easy and useful. And you can also share and download the presentation from here. Just simply export and share it, share the link with your colleagues.